This tutorial is going to introduce interaction via mouse position. And so we've got a straightforward sketch set up here. We have a variable This video is introducing interaction via mouse position. We have a simple sketch here. We have a variable for the diameter of the ellipse that we're going to draw. We have a cursor. We have a setup. Size is 500 by 500. We have something called no cursor, which basically turns the cursor off. We have in the draw loop we have a background black, no stroke, fill of 255 white. And then we have an ellipse, and the X position is now filled with a variable mouseX, which is tied to mouse position, and mouseY, which is tied to mouse position on the vertical axis. So, and this is all relative to the Cartesian coordinates, where the upper left is 0, 0, and just in the same way that you've been drawing, mouse X and mouse Y are relative to that 0, 0 point. So if we play this, you can see the circle up here now. As soon as I dragged my cursor onto the canvas, it disappeared, and now I'm just dragging this ellipse around with my cursor. Okay, so if we just add another line here, we'll do a print line, and then we'll do mouse X plus space and space plus mouse Y close. So now when we run this, you can see when I dragged the mouse over it briefly, it dropped the mouse X and mouse Y values of 82 and 1. And so it's going to stay that way until I move the cursor again. So you can see as I move it around, it changes dynamically with the mouse position. If the mouse goes off the canvas, it stays at the last value that the mouse X and mouse Y was being generated until I move it again. Okay.